Hey guys, Andy from Altspc here. How you going? Today we're going to run through how to include hourly bookings in your listing. Now because it's already a listing that's live, all we've got to do is go in and edit it. So bringing up the edit page, everything's going to remain the same unless you want to change it. But we're going to change hourly prices. So as you can see, we've got all four options now. Check the box to make it live. Add your price, and then you can check your listing price that others will see. And now just going back over the times of your opening and closing, or your operating hours, as you can see, Thursdays it closes a little bit later. So to do that, you need to check that different box. That enables you to change the time that you open or close on different days. Otherwise, if you just change it without clicking that box, everything changes. So let's undo that. Click the different box and then set the day and the time that we want to change. All right, moving on, we've got block out dates. So the top one, block date, is entire days that the space is not available. I only use this if for the entire day the space is not available, because it completely wipes it off and people are unable to access it. But if it's only unavailable for a couple of hours or a period of time during the day, block hours. So choose the date and the times that it's not available, and then click add another time. That will save that, and the blocked period will pop up underneath, and then you can go back up to the calendar, choose another day, and then go through the process again. Now what happens if you've got one day for a month that's blocked out at the same time? Well, choose the time that it's blocked out and then click repeats every week. And then this will drop another menu down for you to input an end date. So just choose a date when that's going to end. If it has a fixed end, choose that. If it's off down the distance, pick a date, 6 months, 12 months into the future, and choose that. So then moving on to the next page, everything's going to remain the same because, as I said, it's already live and listed. Now I'm going to make this space live because it's just in draft, so make visible to other people makes your listing live, so you can see that it's now live in the top left hand corner. And if we look at it up in the top right, we've now got that hourly option available for people. And we found that the hourly option has been really popular, especially with salons and with the therapy spaces. And if we go into the calendar, you can see that that time is blocked out. And then if we go to the Monday, we can see that those hours that we blocked out are blocked out. So people will be able to book around that. So guys, thanks very much. If you've got any questions, again, bottom right hand corner of our screen, the little blue chat bubble, just send us questions and we'll answer them as soon as we can. Have a great day.